No. Ooh. Yeah, that's the one.
As you can see, no cops.
Can I do this? Can I swan it real quick? Thank you. It's gonna be fast. I'm getting old. Hey!
If you knew my story word for word, had all of my history, would you go along with someone like me?
I did before and had my share. It didn't lead nowhere. I would go along with someone like you. You really know how to make me cry when you give me those ocean eyes. I'm scared. Never falling from quite this high, falling into your ocean eyes. Those ocean eyes.
Buddy, no, you can't come in here. You can't come with me. You gotta go back home. No, 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 nope. You have to go. You gotta stay at your home. Go on. Stay. Oh my goodness. What am I gonna do? I don't want to run her over. Maybe if I just... Oh no. I mean, I guess... Oh my goodness. Alright. No. Nope. Buddy. Alright. Well, anyway.
Are you serious? Hey, knock it off. What are you doing? What are you gonna do? You weigh 3 pounds. What are you gonna drag off all of these chicken breasts? What are you doing? No. You goof. Stop it. That's bad for you. Stop. Hey, excuse you. I'm trying to get the styrofoam out of your mouth. Why are you trying to fight me? What, do you think you're slick? Do you think I can't see you? What is happening? Ma'am, stop. Listen, just accept defeat and go about your day. Come on. No ma'am.
Hey, Mama, do you want this?
Now tell me how this happened. You were snooping around somewhere you had no concern. And now you're hanging from the bottom of the car. That's what you get. Let them stay there.
Hey, Chase,
Can we take away Millie and give her to a new family, bud? We give her to someone who's gonna love her more? Why? Come on. She'll be okay. Come on, let us give her to someone who will take care of her. You want to keep her forever? Okay, you can keep her forever.
So I read on the internet that cats get on your laptop because they're mirroring you, and so if you get them their own laptop, they'll leave you alone. And look at this little businessman!
I'm busy. No. No. No.
The number 711.
Ow!
Stop, okay?
You stop it. No. You. Ow! Stop it. No. No. You're being so bad. You're being so bad. Stop. Ah!
Alabama, Arkansas, I do love my mom and pa, not the way that I...
Beso, beso, beso. Son novios. Oh, never mind.
You want to get to mommy's tummy? Oh. Thank you. Thank you for the biscuits. That's doing a lot of good, honey. Thank you very much. Hello.
Alright.
What is game?
But then he turned the little button and the car went boom. We like the cars that go boom.
Do my dance in these $1,000 pants. Don't disrespect me and my mans. Bam, whole lot of choppers on your ass. Scram, we just putting dollars on your head. This ass nigga is my.
I failed as a mother, Moni. You disgraced me.
Oh, I'm just a kid. I never use my brain. I only use my heart and my mind.
She's being helpful, oh so helpful, yeah. Lending a hand, I guess a paw, yeah. Lending a paw, oh, could have finished the table.
Break it down.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? What you looking at?
I was in the 3rd grade. People treated me like a criminal because I killed somebody.
Mr. Sandman, bring me a dream. Bum, 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 bum. Make him the cutest that I've ever seen. Bum, 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 bum. Give him 2 lips like roses and clover.
Oh my god, I totally bug him. Hello, Minushka. Minushka, do you have comment? Your husband was taken to the gulag and now all you have to eat are beets to feed your children. Minushka, you have a comment.
Woody.
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this. You see? Just bite it. Gentle.
Oh, you ain't got no job. You live on my couch. You don't even pay rent.
Nato. You happy?
Oh. Shit. Ooh. What do you gotta say about that? Ooh, shit. Boots. Oh.
What if I say I know, you know? What if I told you I like you? We stay